Welcome to LifeVantage Lab, where we'll be going over the uniqueness and science behind the PhysIQ Smart Weight Management System. Today I have with me Dr. Natalie Chevreau, Senior Vice President of Research and Development. We also like to call her Dr. Fifi. Can you give us some insight on what makes the PhysIQ Weight Management System so different in the marketplace today?
Yes, Gina, I'll be happy to do that. The approach we are using for our weight management system is we are working on the gut-brain axis. By getting the gut healthier, the signal sent to the brain will be healthier and will help you having the right foundation to have a sustainable and long-term weight management. So with this system, working the gut, getting it better, you also deal with the toxic abdominal fat, you know that fat which is so hard to get rid of, and getting your immune system healthier and stronger.
So the PhysIQ system is composed of 4 different products. We have the Cleanse, the ProBio, Fat Burn, and also the Protein. Today we'll be spotlighting the PhysIQ ProBio, which focuses on gut health and overall gut function. Dr. Fifi, first of all, why does anyone need to take a probiotic?
Because we eat a lot of processed food, we eat what I call sanitized fruits and vegetables. So as a result, that affects the bacteria diversity and type we have in our gut. And when the gut is not so healthy, the rest of the body is not so healthy.
So how does the PhysIQ ProBio fit into a weight management system?
Our smart weight management system works by getting your gut healthier all the way up. Again, we talked about this gut-brain axis. When the gut has a lot of immune cells and a lot of diverse bacteria which have key metabolic functions. So when the gut is healthy, it's sending the good signal to the brain so you know what the body is supposed to do. And I'm going to give you an example. I'm eating a large amount of food. And if my gut was healthier, it will send signal through the nervous system and also through hormones saying, aha, you are full. So normally what you will do, you will step away from the table, you will stop eating. When the gut is not very healthy, those signals tend to be lost. So that's why we want to recreate.
So Dr. Fifi, what are some benefits that you can expect while taking the PhysIQ ProBio?
So PhysIQ ProBio is designed to restore the diversity of the bacteria in the gut, thus helping the gut function, the gut immune system, and also digestion.
So that sounds really great, but what makes our PhysIQ ProBio so different in the marketplace?
Well, 3 reasons because of its combination. PhysIQ ProBio has 6 different strains of probiotics, 1 patented BioTrack control technology system, and finally, the Well-Immune, which is a patented beta-glucan compound. Nobody else in the market has this combination.
So that's really exciting, but can you give us more details on how the BioTrack controlled release technology works?
When you take probiotics, they are sensitive to the stomach acid, and in the stomach acid, bam, they will die. So by having the probiotic encapsulated in this technology, the probiotic will get to the small intestine intact and alive where they're going to do their job.
That's awesome. So you talk about 6 strains of different types of bacteria. The PhysIQ ProBio has 6 billion colony-forming units, or CFUs. Why are having 6 different strains important, and why did you pick them?
So I pick up those strains for a reason to bring the diversity and the type of good bacteria to the gut. So in the small intestine, you tend to have more lactobacilli. In the colon, you tend to have more bifidobacterium. So by bringing those bacterium through a probiotic, you help restore the diversity. So the not so good bacteria, which are the Clostridium and also some of the Candida, which are yeast, are being pushed away. So you try to restore that way the health and the good bacteria population in the gut.
So can you give us some more details about Well-Immune? What is it and what does it do?
So Well-Immune is a 1,3,1,6 glucan compound. When you take it, it gets to the small intestine intact. Then the macrophage in the small intestine chew them in small pieces. Those small Well-Immune fragments will attach to receptors of other type of immune system called immune cells called monocyte and neutrophil that will prime them to do a great job. And so what I like to think about the system is like Pac-Man. Remember that game, the Pac-Man? Chewing on whatever it was, the dots on the machine. So imagine your neutrophil and your monocyte chewing on dead cells, bacteria, that kind of stuff. And then your well-immune being a booster, like a booster of that Pac-Man little guy.
That's a really great visual, and it really helps me understand how well-immune works and what it does.
But rest assured, because you are not, when you have prime neutrophil and monocyte, you are not getting your immune system overstimulated. Those things only help boost it.
So we've talked a lot about overall gut health, getting your bacteria flora and the right amounts, but what other aspects of gut health have we not talked about?
Gut integrity.
So why don't you give us some more details? Why is gut integrity so important, and why do we even need to know about it?
Yes, okay. So imagine gut being the guardian between what you eat and what gets into the bloodstream and throughout the body. So that gut wall is made of very tightly joined cells, which when they are close together does not allow things to go from the inside of the gut into the bloodstream. The bacteria also in the gut are very important to protect those cells in the wall. When those cells are no longer tightly joined, you have nasty things go into the bloodstream, which is going to affect the overall body health. So what we want, the probiotic will help you strengthen your guardian and also strengthen your gut integrity.
So we talked a lot about the really great benefits of ProBio. We do get a lot of questions. Does ProBio need to be refrigerated, or can we leave it on the shelf?
You don't need to refrigerate the PhysIQ ProBio because of the BioTrack release control technology.
So what do you do if you have a hard time swallowing the PhysIQ ProBio?
Aha, I have the solution for you. So let's take a look at them. So they are those little spherical caplets. And what I do personally is I like to coat them with a good quality vegetable oil, like olive oil, and then I can take it and it goes down the tube very easily.
So the PhysIQ Smart Weight Management System is a long-term sustainable weight loss solution. If you have additional questions on our PhysIQ ProBio, please download our PhysIQ ProBio FAQs or frequently asked questions available at LifeVantage.com. And thank you for being with us for this LifeVantage Lab. And don't forget to join us next time where we review the PhysIQ Fat Burn.